Hello students, today we will do the poem Aunt Jennifer's Tiger by Edenridge from class 12th English Flamingo. Edenridge 1929 to 2012 was an American poet, essayist and feminist. She was one of the most widely read and influenced poets of the second half of the 20th century. In her poem, she talks about a woman's experiences in her married life. She has tried to explore the inner feelings of a woman who is living under the dominance of men. Rich is widely known for her active involvement in the women's movement. कभी औरतों की मैरिड लाइफ में बीते एक्सपीरियंसेस और मिजरेबल कंडीशन का वर्णन करती है। पुरुष प्रधान समाज में महिलाएं उत्पीड़न का शिकार बनती हैं और अपनी आंतरिक भावनाओं को एक्सप्रेस नहीं कर पाती हैं। In this poem, Aunt Jennifer's Tiger, the poet describes the oppressed condition of women by males and their dominance in society. Aunt Jennifer is a victim of such oppression. Aunt Jennifer is उत्पीड़न का शिकार है. She expresses her suppressed feelings through her art by making a pattern of tigers on the panel or on a piece of cloth. These tigers represent her inner desire to live a free and fearless life. Aunt Jennifer through tigers अपनी निडर और स्वतंत्र जीवन जीने की इनर डिजायर को एक्सप्रेस करती है. Let us read the poem. Aunt Jennifer's tiger prance across a screen, bright topaz, denizen of a world of green. They don't fear the men beneath the tree. They pace in sleek chivalric serenity. Explanation. The poet describes a lady whom she addresses as Aunt Jennifer. She is doing embroidery on a piece of cloth. Aunt Jennifer एक पैनल पर एम्ब्रॉयडरी कर रही है. इट कुड बी ए वॉल हैंगिंग और टेबल क्लॉथ. मोर ओवर शी हैड मेड इट विद ब्यूटिफुल टाइगर्स. बहुत ही सुंदर टाइगर कपड़े पे बनाए हैं. टाइगर्स आर जंपिंग एंड प्रेंसिंग ओवर अ स्क्रीन और पैनल. शेर स्क्रीन पर उछल कूद कर रहे हैं. दे आर द इनहेबिटेंट्स ऑफ द फॉरेस्ट. दे आर ब्राइट कलर्ड लाइक द शाइनिंग येलो टोपाज. यह टाइगर हरे जंगलों के निवासी पुखरास की तरह चमकीले रंग के हैं. दे डोंट फियर द मैन हु आर स्टैंडिंग अंडर द ट्रीज. पेड़ के नीचे खड़े आदमियों से टाइगर्स बिल्कुल भी नहीं डरते. दे वॉक विद कॉन्फिडेंस. वे आत्मविश्वास के साथ चलते हैं. दे आर शाइनी एंड एलिगेंट. बहुत ही शौर्यपूर्ण और ग्रेस के साथ वो चल रहे हैं. Here is the contrast of behavior between the tiger and Aunt. The tigers are fearless, but Aunt herself is afraid of her husband. Second stanza. Aunt Jennifer's fingers fluttering through her wool find even the ivory needle hard to pull. The massive weight of Uncle's bedding band sits heavily upon Aunt Jennifer's hand. Explanation. Here the poet describes the fear of Aunt Jennifer towards her husband. Aunt Jennifer's fingers are trembling while doing embroidery on a piece of cloth. Aunt Jennifer की उंगलियां ऊन में तेजी से चलती हुई कांपती हुई प्रतीत हो रही हैं. It has become difficult. Last stanza. When Aunt is dead, her terrified hands will lie, still ringed with ordeals she was mastered by. The tigers in the panel that she made will go on prancing, proud and unafraid. Explanation. The poet says that one can easily sense Aunt's desire for freedom and fearlessness through her design of tigers. It is not possible for Aunt Jennifer to achieve this freedom during her lifetime. जीते जी तो वो अपने आप को आजाद नहीं कर पाएगी. शी विल अटेन इट ओनली आफ्टर हर डेथ. मरने के बाद वह चाहती है कि वह अपने जीवन जो है स्वतंत्र और निडर तरीके से जी सके. बट हियर आल्सो द आयरनी ऑफ हर लाइफ इज दैट स्टिल शी विल बी टाइड अप विद shackles in the form of her husband's bedding ring. The ring is a sole proof of difficult and painful experiences she undergoes. On the other hand, tigers made by Aunt Jennifer depict her desire of living a fearless and free life by jumping proudly and bravely on the piece of cloth. आंट की स्वतंत्र निडर जीवन जीने की इच्छा टाइगर के रूप में हमेशा जिंदा रहेगी. Difficult words. Prance, move or jump with high spring steps, उछलना. Topaz, a precious yellow color stone, पुखराज. Denizen, inhabitant, निवासी. beneath, underneath, sleek, smooth and shiny, चिकने और चमकदार, सिबलरिक, brave, certainty, confidence, आत्मविश्वास, fluttering, trembling or move about, कांपना, ivory, made of tusks, हाथी दांत की बनी हुई, massive, heavy, भारी, band, strip, terrified, frightened, भयभीत, ringed with, surrounded by, घिरी हुई, ऑडियंस डिफिकल्ट और पेनफुल एक्सपीरियंसेस कठिन या पीड़ाजनक अनुभव मास्टर्ड बाय कंट्रोल्ड नियंत्रित करना अधीन करना पैनल बोर्ड इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस ऑफ द पोएम फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन हाउ डू डेंजन्स एंड सिबलरिक add to our understanding of the tiger's attitude? Answer. Tigers, like all beasts of prey, are the denizen of the forest. They are bold, brave and fearless. They are not afraid of human beings. Second question. Why do you think Aunt Jennifer's hands are fluttering through her wool in the second stanza? Why is she finding the needle so hard to pull? Answer. The weight of unhappy and unfortunate experiences of Aunt Jennifer's married life lies heavy on her hand. This is why her fingers are fluttering through her wool. She finds it hard to pull even the ivory needle. Third question. What is suggested by the image massive weight of uncle's bedding band? Answer. Massive weight of uncle's bedding band is symbolic of the weight of the harsh and difficult experiences of her married life. The bedding band represents the unbreakable bond of marriage between the husband and the wife. Fourth question. Do you sympathize with Aunt Jennifer? What is the attitude of the speaker towards Aunt Jennifer? Answer. Naturally, we sympathize with Aunt Jennifer because of the ordeals and hardships she experienced during her married life. The attitude of the speaker is equally sympathetic. Through different symbols like bedding band, the poet presents the miserable and painful experiences that Aunt Jennifer has gone through. Here the poem ends with short answer questions. See you next video. Till then, goodbye.